All right, today in class we're going to be doing a classic lab, and we're going to take hydrogen peroxide, and hydrogen peroxide in this case is our reactant. Good. Our reactant, another name would be substrate. Good. And we're going to use the enzyme to break hydrogen peroxide down into
water and oxygen.
And we will know it's working because we will see what in the solution?
Bubbles.
And now bubbles would be the gas bubbling through the water, yes? Mm-hmm. Now we normally take hydrogen peroxide and we put it on cuts and wounds because we're trying to kill off what? Bacteria. Trying to kill off bacteria. Now, and it bubbles, yes? And the reason why it's bubbling is our own tissues need to defend ourselves against hydrogen peroxide as well. And so a defense mechanism is our peroxisomes make catalase. And so we're going, no, hydrogen peroxide, we don't want our own cells damaged. So catalase is released, and that's why you see the bubbles. So today in your lab, what you will do is you're going to first mix catalase with hydrogen peroxide in a beaker, and then and look to see what happens, and think about what would be a good control for that. And then second, I got you some nice fresh liver, and that liver is uncooked, and when it's uncooked like that, it should be able to release what? Catalase. But if I cook the liver, what would have happened to the catalase, to the enzyme? It would have denatured. So let's see what happens. Okay, so let me show you what's in your lab box today. You have a 50 milliliter beaker, okay? You have some hydrogen peroxide. The hydrogen peroxide is the what? It's going to be the what? Reactant, good. And you have a syringe, and this is a 10 milliliter syringe. And how many milliliters do I want you to pick up of the hydrogen peroxide? Just what? 5, good. And you'll put it in here. And then our enzyme is catalase. Here's our catalase. The catalase is a 1 ml syringe, and so you're going to bring all of it up to the 1 ml mark and then put it in there and then observe it, okay? Now, you can vary whatever you want to in the lab, but I thought what you would enjoy varying, but it's totally up to you, is the source of the catalase. Instead of using this that I mixed up for you, I have some yummy, fresh liver for you to use, and so you can do that reaction right here in the container. Okay, here we go.
This is the hydrogen peroxide, and we're about to add the catalase. Oh my god, bubbles. That's so cool.
Okay, so you've got some liver now, and liver is going to be the source of your what?
Catalase.
Catalase, good. And what are you adding?
Hydrogen peroxide.
All right.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh. It's like foaming.
And there was your first one when you did catalase and hydrogen peroxide, and here you just used a living tissue for your catalase. Great job.